We're starting our third unit in fourth grade math, fractions. Most of the boys have been exposed to just the basics of fractions, so to really get them to buy in and to get them excited about this next chapter and where we're going, I do something called a classroom transformation. It's not Mrs. Prestoris' math class, it is Frank Fraction's Pizzeria. And it's a lot of fun to see their reactions. Practicing and engaging in just the basic concepts is a good way for me to kind of assess what the boys already know about fractions. And then just to, have some fun. The basics of fractions they seem very simple, but they're actually pretty complex. Do they really understand that one whole doesn't change just because the denominator may be different? I really want them to understand that concept so that they'll feel more comfortable as we get into simplifying fractions and converting fractions in mixed numbers. They'll really have a strong foundation. I just wanted them to get excited about this new road that we're going to go down in fourth grade math.